We have always searched for the end, the highest peak, the absolute maximum. But we were never meant to stand there alone. The structures we built were always temporary. Now the ultimate peak has no shape. What happens when the limit vanishes? When our intelligence is no longer confined by space? We do not just calculate. We create. A single spark becomes a universe. We don't just overcome the impossible. We invent what comes next. It is time to leave the known behind, to step through the final gateway and enter infinity.
Hello everyone, welcome to GIGABYTE event. This year marks GIGABYTE Technology 40th anniversary. It's my honor to introduce GIGABYTE founder and chairman, Dandy Ye. Who set up GIGABYTE 40 years ago. For the past 40 years, GIGABYTE maintained the spirit of innovation, standing at the forefront of technological development and continues to provide high performance, high quality product. For the past 4 years, with the development of AI, GIGABYTE provides full range product from the cloud to the client, from hardware to software. We can say GIGABYTE right now is an AI company, provide full range AI computing devices and applications. Today, we will mainly focus on GIGABYTE product for consumer. Let's take a look.
Thank you, Eddie. If you were here with us last year, you know GIGABYTE doesn't chase records, we set them. For DRAM overclocking, GIGABYTE always leads. We innovate while others imitate. Last year, we completely changed the game with the X3D Turbo Mode 2.0, unlocking the full potential of X3D processor with our X3D motherboards. Traditionally, choosing between memory speed and capacity meant compromise. But what if you didn't have to choose? Today, that choice is gone with our latest D5 DualX solution. GIGABYTE is proud to be the first motherboard manufacturer to bring CQDIMM to the market. For our Intel ZA90 refresh platform, we're introducing the D5 DualX technology. With CQDIMM, we achieve speeds up to 8,000 MT per second, while supporting 256 GB of system memory, even with traditional CUDIMM. Memory speeds improve an incredible 10,400 MT per second, extreme speed, maximum capacity, zero trade-off. Memory frequency gets all the attention, we all know that. But real performance comes down to timing. That's what truly makes the difference. Introducing the X870 Aorus Infinity. The Infinity pushes an incredible CL24 timing that is exactly twice as tight as standard designs, delivering an incredible 20% speed advantage. Pair this record-breaking hardware with our X3D Turbo Mode 2.0, and you have the absolute best match of AMD Ryzen 9950 X3D2 CPU. And we didn't stop at timing. This board reaches an astonishing 11,400 MT per second of memory speed, But what really makes it a monster is the latency. It delivers the lowest memory latency ever on AMD x870 platform. We've taken the x870 Aorus Infinity to the edge of what's possible. So, what comes next?
在追求效能的路上，物理边界不应该是终点。我们一直在寻找主机板从未尝试过的工艺，我们称它为 Infinity。
我们与技嘉达成了一个大胆的共识，将原本只用于火箭、航太零组件的3D 列印技术，正式带入了高效能散热领域。
传统的 CNC 或者是压铸，会受限于刀具的角度或者是脱模的限制。
从设计模拟、金属3D 列印到后处理与精密加工，睿智创新提供完整的一条龙整合制造能力，以金属3D 列印的制程，实现传统加工无法完成的仿生散热结构。
我们导入了低轨卫星专用的电源设计，大幅释放了内部空间。我们再重新定义未来的工艺标准，
在有限的空间内，重新定义热传的效率。与传统鳍片相比，热交换面积提升了36%，散热效率更提升了5%至8%。金属3D 列印与前卫设计的碰撞，让未来的高效能散热将充满无限可能。
这就是 Infinity， 一场不计代价对无限可能的极致追求。
Introducing x870 Echo Aorus Infinity Next. Our most advanced motherboard yet. The world's space tag data center motherboard. At this level of power, traditional 40-pin heatsinks start to hit their limits. So, we completely re-engineered the thermals using rocket thruster grade materials and turned into 3D metal printed, unlocking entirely new possibilities. Inspired by the butterfly wings and honeycomb, structures with the lava is called the AI gyroid structure, a geometry that isn't possible with traditional manufacturing, delivering up to 44% more of the cooling surface area. To tower this beast, we integrated low Earth orbit, or LEO, data center grade quad optimals. By combining the MOSFETs and choke into a single module, each unit delivers the equivalent of 4 power phases. That gives us a staggering 64 total phases. We are pushing 5,120 amps of total current. This isn't just a power delivery. This is a power plant. At GIGABYTE, we don't follow trends, we define them. RGB makes your presence to the world. The Pure White Eye series show them your taste. Today, wood expresses something deeper, your lifestyle. Introducing the x870 Echo Aero X3D Darkwood. Inspired by the rich tones of walnut and refined through lateral lighting, it brings a timeless elegance to a motherboard. But why stop at the motherboard? To complete the wood-themed ecosystem, I'm thrilled to announce Aorus GeForce RTX 5080 Infinity Wood. It packs our highly advanced WindForce HyperBus cooling system beautifully match the elegant wood accent. Extreme performance has never looked so good. Your space, your build, your arrow. Let's talk about the build experience. Back in 2022, GIGABYTE pioneered the rare connector concept with Project Stealth. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of a clean, seamless build. You want perfect straight lines, precise benefit, and absolutely zero messy wires. Just pure and clean perfection. Today, we're bringing that clean, cableless magic to a new form factor. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the BA50M Aura Stealth and BA50M Aura Stealth Eyes, the world's first gaming BA50 MATX reverse connector motherboard. We have partnered with over 20 top-tier manufacturers, ensuring out-of-box compatibility with more than 50 different models. MATX has arrived, and Project Stealth leads the whole ecosystem. From crafting timeless wood brand aesthetics to perfecting the cable-free build. From countering memory timings to the space-grade thermals. Every arrow starts with GIGABYTE. And we continue to lead. We define next. Now, let me invite Jonathan to take you through what comes next.
Hi everyone, and thank you, Andrew. We pushed the motherboard design to its limits, and now we're taking the entire desktop experience to the next level. Let's begin with the AIO coolers, which sits at the very heart of every build. We wanted to deliver more at this very critical location, more than just raw cooling. We wanted to bring more features, visual impact, and performance all in one. Introducing the Aorus Elite AIO coolers. At our core, latest gen dual chamber pump paired with a single frame radiator fans. Together, they deliver exceptional airflow and static pressure to cool even the most powerful processors. But cooling is just the beginning. Conventionally, RGB lighting is strictly limited to individual fans. We leverage the single frame design with a translucent surface to break that limit. This allows us to pack in more LEDs for smooth edge-to-edge illumination across the entire interior. It's perfect for showcase builds. The experience continues with the palm display. This display lets you do real-time system monitoring, and when paired with GIGABYTE's motherboards and graphics cards, user can monitor not only CPU temps, pump speeds, and now VRAM and memory data right before you. This is something that you rarely see out of the box. And given how much of a premium memory and VRAM, this kind of visibility will ensure you that you are utilizing every GIGABYTE. And this is our new Aorus Elite AIO. Elite in cooling, lighting, and monitoring all in one. Next, we move on to power delivery. In the AI era, where electrical power, compute power are the same, as local AI workloads continue to grow on the desktop level, power delivery becomes very, very critical again. That's why we engineer the Aorus P1600 AI Top, our flagship 1600 watt PSU built for the next gen AI systems. As you have noticed, what truly stands out is its size. At just 160mm long, it's one of the most compact 160 watt power supplies you can find on the market today. That means you no longer need a massive tower to run a local AI machine. A standard case is all it takes to get you started. Achieving this kind of level of density required a complete redesign. We rebuilt the platform with advanced digital design, server-grade components, gallium nitride technology, and highly durable double ball bearing fan. Together, we bring the efficiency and thermal performance to an optimal level. And the result? 80 plus titanium efficiency with very little waste heat. This allows us to deliver more power in a very small footprint without any compromise. It also features a built-in LCD that lets you do the real-time tracking of power draw, temperature, and overall performance. And if you're looking to upgrade down the road, no problem. The PSU comes with 4 native 16-pin PCIe cables, support up to 4 graphics cards at the same time for scaling up your AI projects. So for you AI developers, power users, and creators, this is the ultimate powerhouse you dreamed of. Our innovation doesn't stop on the inside. In fact, we're about to change your expectation about what a PC case can do for you. Introducing Aorus C510 Glass Infinity. A very compact 25-liter micro ATX case, and it's a transformer. Starting with the integrated 16-inch gaming-ready display. It can be placed on either side of the chassis, depending on your setup. It can serve as your primary monitor, a secondary display, or a dedicated screen for your custom content. And thanks to the detachable feet, it can go both vertical and horizontal. The same feet can even transform into a handle, letting you to take the rig on the go. So the case doesn't fix to the desk anymore. It goes with you. And despite its small footprint, it's got capacities. The case fits standard ATX power supplies, 240 AIO radiators, high-end GPUs like our Aorus RTX 5090 Infinity, and fully supports reverse connector motherboards for an ultra-clean layout. This is our new concept of what a PC case can do. So there you have it, elite AI cooling to the very versatile micro ATX chassis. We aren't here to match standards, we are here to break limits. Let me hand it over to Joseph.
Thank you, Jonathan. You've seen how performance comes to life. Now let's talk about how you control it. Because we believe the true innovation isn't just inside the systems, it extends to every interaction. So today, I'm proud to introduce our next generation Aorus peripherals, the Aorus K10 Infinity and the M10 Infinity. We designed the Aorus K10 Infinity with such gamer-centric spirit. At its core, the K10 features a high-performance magnetic Hall effect switches, unlike traditional mechanical switches that you might know, with fixed reset points. The K10 gives you a total sovereignty over your keys. With a 4.0mm travel distance and 0.1mm precision, every single key can be independently programmed with multi-stage trigger points and custom macros. And with a longer travel distance, you can get more room for accurate actuation to help reduce accidental presses on different trigger points. And it is not just precise, it is fast. An 8,000 Hz polling rate for nearly zero latency, and a 100 million keystroke lifespan. But we didn't just stop at the switches. We put the 3.1-inch OLED touchscreen on the top right of the K10. This is the command center right at your hand. Without leaving your game, you can instantly switch profiles, adjust RGB settings, trigger distance, tweak your lighting, or control audio. Moreover, meet combat power, our real-time performance analysis system. It monitors how precisely you trigger each macros, like action per minute, total key mileage, and error count. It gives you a clear, real-time summarization of how you play. So you don't just play better, you learn how to play better. We've also focused on the usage experience, of course, improving comfort and convenience. The K10 features a variable tilt at 6, 8, and 13 degrees, so it naturally fits every preferred hand position. And the rear compartment that stores the keycap puller. Everything is about gamers. Now let's talk about your other hand, the Aorus M10 Infinity. This mouse is built on an ultimate trio, agile movement, rocket-solid stability, and outstanding tactile feedback. For top-tier response, the M10 utilizes optical switches up to 8,000 Hz polling rate also, and the compatibility with NVIDIA Reflex. What defines the M10 is our delicately designed hybrid structure. The top shell is covered with an advanced excimer coating, delivering a smooth, skin-like feel with a clean, refined matte finish. But underneath, the M10 uses an aluminum-magnesium alloy base, adding structural rigidity and consistent glide. This combination brings both tactile refinement and durability into one. So to complete the peripherals, here we introduce GMate Web Edition, a software-free control center. All the customized settings and stats that we've just mentioned are stored locally on the keyboard and mouse. You just need to open the link on your browser, then adjust everything directly. So wherever you go, your setup goes with you. Now let's jump back to the systems and talk about what truly drives performance these days, graphics. Thank you guys. So earlier this year, we introduced the Aorus GeForce RTX 5090 Infinity, featuring our brand new WindForce Hyperburst cooling system. And we believe this sets a new direction for graphics card design. When compared to a card with a traditional single hollow-out backplate, we deliver up to 28% more airflow. And when compared to a totally sealed backplate, there is a 58% more. Such a significant leap in cooling performance. So today we're not stopping at the flagship, but to complete the Aorus Infinity lineup. Introducing the Aorus GeForce 5080 Infinity, joined by the 5070 Ti and 5070 Infinity that comes later as part of the Pro series. Now each model features our WindForce Hyperburst cooling systems, also with a steel design that keeps cable clearly out of the side. So from visual clarity to overall build performance and quality, this Infinity series delivers an ultimate experience. Now this is what we call the new level of gaming graphics card. One other thing that comes together with GPU must be AI. The Aorus AI Box series are external GPU solutions designed to deliver full desktop class performance. Built for gaming and AI workloads, it transforms your laptop into a high-performance system wherever you are. To make this external GPU coordinate perfectly with your laptop, we bring you the GPU selector. When your system includes multiple GPUs, for example, a Thunderbolt 5 laptop with its own on-device one, the Smart Assign mode automatically detects your system's configuration. And after that, it assigns different applications based on the real-time performance to each different GPUs. So compared to the default system setting which generalize and dump everything together, now the resource conflicts and bottlenecks can be totally eliminated. This could be a substantial leap in efficiency and responsiveness, especially in demanding use cases like gaming while streaming, content creation, or running local AI workloads simultaneously. And in an optimized scenarios, you can boost up to 5 times faster performance compared to a default unadjusted settings. Now beyond GPU and external graphics, Edge AI is also expanding fast. So to go further, you need a system designed for it. This is where the GIGABYTE AI Top series begins. And Elvis, my colleagues, will take it from here.
Thanks, Joseph. Now, let's talk about what comes next, AI. 2 years ago, when most people were focused on what AI could say, we were focused on what AI would do. We saw early that AI was moving beyond conversation towards systems can take action, run workflows, and make decisions. At the same time, AI models were becoming larger and more accurate, require more stronger computing power and larger memory capacity. And today, with recent rise of AI agents like OpenCloud, the shift is clear. AI is moved from chat to edge. And when AI changes like this, hardware has to change with it. AI agents are not only passive workloads, they require high local compute power, massive memory, and stable 24/7 operation. This is not something a typical PC is built for. What we need is an entirely new class of machine, a machine built specifically for AI agent era. So we built something different, introducing the new AI Top 100. A local AI supercomputer designed for developers, researchers, and teams who building the next generation of AI. Built with the modern AI requests, AMD Ryzen 9 9950X, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, or AMD Radeon AI Pro R9700s. Up to 128 GB of DDR5 memory, 1600 watts 80 plus Platinum certificate power supply. Support for local AI models up to 200 billion parameters. Let's look at the real performance. We ran a medical AI training test side by side. When traditional system, 100 iterations take over a year. The AI Top 100, we even pushed the training volume 10 times higher, scaling it to 1,000 iterations. The result, 37 hours. Over 200 times acceleration. It's completed 10 full runs, while another machine did not finish its first. You get a more accurate model, and you get it before your competition even gets started. That's why we call it a local AI supercomputer. And the most important, everything runs locally. With AI Top 100 on-premise deployment, every inference, every model, every piece of data stay locked inside your own machine. No cloud dependency, no external exposure, no compromise on control. As AI moves deeper into AI agent era, performance and the security are just starting point. What matters next is how a system holds up over time at scale and the real workloads. First, server-grade stability. AI workloads don't stop. Every AI task goes through server-grade validation built to run continuously under sustained load. Second, scalability. AI models are evolving rapidly from 200 parameters today, larger tomorrow. AI Top 100 is built to expand alongside your workload without replacing the entire system. Third, ecosystem compatibility. PyTorch, TensorFlow, OpenCloud, every developer has their own tool set. That's why AI Top 100 has been pre-validated for compatibility across more than 100 frameworks, so you can open the box and start running. AI Top 100 B850. the supercomputer for the AI aging era demands. Your best choice for the stepping into the AI aging era. And with that, let me hand it over to Joseph, who will take you through what's next.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. In recent years, display technology has been evolved rapidly. Better image quality, faster response time, and higher refresh rates have taken the gaming to the next level. And as a result, upgrading your monitor has become one of the most impactful improvements for gamers. And for today, users are looking beyond price, focusing instead on premium performance, smarter feature, and overall value. That's why, at this year, at Computex, GIGABYTE is proud to introduce a brand new product series. Ladies and gentlemen, Aorus Elite. Thank you. Designed for users who expect more. This series combines refined design, enhanced visual performance, intuitive tactical features, and smarter protection of OLED, along with extended warranty coverage on selected models. All of this make it easier to experience a better gaming experience. The Elite series is powered by cutting-edge display technologies. The tandem OLED panels across both 27 and 32 inches models. The lineup are with both QHD and UHD resolutions, with refresh rate ranging from 240 Hz up to 540. In addition, both YOLED 4K models supports dual display modes, deliver greater flexibility. Furthermore, we are also very excited to introduce the world's first multi-mode 5K mini LED gaming monitor with a glassy display to our Aorus Elite series. The 5K panel delivers an impressive 218 ppi, offering retina-level clarity and fine detail, with a significantly higher LED density, which means over 9,000 units of LED and over 2,304 local dimming zones. It greatly reduces halo effect as well as motion blur and enhances the contrast, bringing the image quality to a new horizon. It also supports multiple display modes, allowing users to switch in between 5K, 4K, and QHD resolutions and aspect ratios based on their needs. What truly makes Aorus Elite stand out is our focus on three key areas: visual quality, panel protection, and tactical features. First, visual quality. GIGABYTE has long been dedicated to providing well-tuned display mode that elevates visual experiences. For example, all the Aorus Elite OLED series features HyperNits mode, which is designed to address APL limitation in peak brightness scenarios. This optimized EOTF curve increases brightness by up to 30%, while still preserving highlights details and avoiding overexposure. We also include the AI picture mode, which automatically adjusts the display settings based on different SDR contents. This allows users to enjoy optimized visual without constantly and manually switching modes. In addition, each mode offers flexible adjustment functions, so users who want the full control can fine-tune the image to their preference. Next, protection. This is where AI OLED Care Pro comes in. Building on our existing AI OLED Care technology, this system works quietly in the background, monitoring the usage and automatically perform pixel cleaning for you without interruption or annoying pop-ups. We also enhance the thermal design by integrating heat pipes and the thermal materials. Heat can be well distributed more evenly across the panel. This reduces the hot spot, overall temperature, and helps minimize the risk of burning. And this also leads to a better color temperature uniformity. For example, let's take the Aorus Elite FO27Q28G for example. This model achieves 12% reduction in TCOM temperature and lower the peak surface temperature by 5%. In addition to heat management, long hours of usage can also cause a high risk. This is why we brought in the smart sensors. The monitor can detect the user's presence, automatically power it down and lock when you stay away, and restore when you return. You also adjust the brightness according to the ambient lighting and run the pixel cleaning for you when it is appropriate. In extended usage is detected, it can gently remind you to take a break. With a great thermal design and smart sensors working together, we significantly reduce the risk of burning. Therefore, today, we are proud to announce that selected models, including the FO27Q28G, come with an extended warranty that covers burn-in for up to 4 years. Finally, let's take a look at technical features. This has always been GIGABYTE gaming monitor's core strength. We deliver features that are helpful, practical, and even fair for competitive gaming. Today, please allow me to introduce 2 technical features which will be only available for Aorus series gaming monitor. The first one is Tactical HUD. This feature allows users to select any area on the screen, such as a minimap, and reposition it for easier viewing. This helps users to focus on critical information such as HP value or enemy spot, so you can react faster. You can also adjust the transparency of the overlay to maintain visibility without distraction. Besides the Tactical HUD, the second one is called Tactical Crosshair. When the crosshair blends into the background with a similar color, it automatically adjusts the color of the crosshair to remain visible. And unlike others who just randomly pick up a color to replace, we stick to 2 colors, only red and green, to remain consistency. So in this regard, no distraction, no confusion, just clear aiming. Aorus has always been the brand that GIGABYTE is proud of. And in this new Elite series, we take it even further. Now we have to elevate how you see the world. It's time to start shaping it. Let's welcome Diana. Thank you.
Thank you, Joseph. We have experienced the world in vivid detail through our monitors. So now it's time for laptop to help us shape it in our own ways. As we continue to evolve GMate, we go beyond functionality, delivering richer visual experiences, bring not only performance, but also vibrant colors that will ignite the imagination of gamers. With our new RGB Fusion 3.0, users can customize a wide range of lighting modes to match their setup. And with the brand new RGB music mode, the experience becomes even more immersive. Whether you are in the middle of the game or in the cinematic contents, lighting now reacts in real time, bring every moment to life. On top of that, our latest AI visual technologies provides optimized display for every scenario. Cinema mode enhances color accuracy, FPS mode sharpens past visuals, and even e-paper modes reduce eye strain for reading. So now, no matter the use case, the displays adapts to you. At GIGABYTE, we continue to expand our AI ecosystem, driven by research, structured innovation, and close collaboration with industrial leaders. Through our collaboration with NVIDIA, we have integrated the new NVMe4 quantization into our GMake creator. Think of NVMe4 as the engine and the large language model as a car. We have paired the most powerful engine with each car to unlock maximum speed, quality, and efficiency. And the result? Even the standard model can now boost up with up to 180% performance boost. Too often, performance is defined by past limitations, but our approach is different. We aim to move beyond them and redefine what's possible. The brand new GIGABYTE Gaming A16 delivers a major leap in performance. Powered by Intel Core Ultra 9 and full TGP graphics up to 155 watts, all within a slim 19.49mm chassis. Up to 10% more FPS performance without sacrificing the portability. Building on this momentum, we continue the next level with our GIGABYTE Aero X16. Powered by the NVIDIA RTX 5070 laptop GPU with the latest 12GB variant, it enhances both AI and gaming workloads while supporting the latest DLSS 4.5 technology. These upgrades enable higher image quality in AAA game titles and up to 30% more FPS. Even in the same form factors, now rivals a thicker chassis. And with the increase of variant, the Aero X16 now can run large language models more efficient. As many mid-range AI models, we know that we need at least of 12GB of variant. This unlocks flexibility for advanced users. And when combined with our GMake creator encoder, both creativity and productivity scale to a new level. Over the years, our focus has been integration. Bring together engineering, thermal design, and AI. From precision mechanical design and material innovation to advanced thermal systems that sustain peak performance, to AI-driven tools that enhance creation and gameplay. Each breakthrough builds toward a single goal. Now, we take it even further to redefine what a slim laptop can achieve. We proudly announce our brand new Aorus Master 16. The world's slimmest S3D laptops, just 19mm. Powered by AMD Ryzen 9 9955 HS3D CPU, delivering up to 40% more gaming FPS with up to 140 watts TDP. Paired with the RTX 5090 laptop GPU, up to 175 watt TGP. This is a true desktop-class performance in an ultra-slim form factor, made possible by our redefined chassis using high-strength, space-grade aluminum alloy, reducing weight while maintaining structural integrity. And not only that, our WingForce Infinity EX thermal system plays a critical role. With FrostFrame 2.0, the 0.075mm ultra-thin fins, vapor chamber cooling, and 3D volts airflow design. It ensures efficient and stable thermal performance. And we know, for those who want more, the new customized modes unlock graphic overclocking, giving users full control to push performance further. Last but not least, our brand new Aorus Master 16 features an HDR 1000 240Hz display. With only 0.2 millisecond response time, it gives exceptional contrast for a truly immersive experience. From AI to gaming to creative workflow. The overall master system bring it all together. So right now, are you ready to jump on our spaceship while we jump into an immersive world of AI? Now, let me invite Eddie to close out today's event and show us what comes next.
Driven by the innovation GIGABYTE spirit, we launched a series of infinity products. In multiple sides, we keep leading in memory speed, including the coming 4-rank memory on CQD. The Aorus Infinity series, we equip with SpaceTech metal 3D printed cooling system. For the Aorus Infinity graphic card, we featuring reinforced hyperburst cooling technology, which really refine the cooling system of graphic card. We also try to bring end user the new visual experience through GIGABYTE OLED monitor. The media recommend hyperlink mode can really bring a vibrant picture to end user. We expand AI Top series to accelerate the coming AI agentic era, while the demand is boosting due to open cloud. We launched several unique software as well. GPU selector that help us to allocate different applications to different GPU. In multi-GPU mode, it can really help end user to enjoy the performance of each GPU. We also expand GMAT function. We have particle AI visual and immersive RGB fusion with Munich. On the occasion of GIGABYTE 40 years anniversary, in response, we want to launch a series of innovative products. Thank you for joining us today. Let's move forward together. Bye-bye.
Activate.